Imagine telling your friends you built your very first website in under an hour. No coding, no begging your grandchildren for help, and no panic attacks. That's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to talk you through the steps for setting up your first affiliate website, even if the scariest thing you've done online so far is order from Amazon. So, my name is Lisa Renee, and welcome to the Laptop Retirement. I help women and men over 60 build freedom, income, and purpose online. Because retirement isn't the end, it's only the beginning of your second act. All right, so I got my handy notes, because I tend to ramble if I do not stay on my notes. So let's keep this simple. To build your first affiliate website, you just need 3 things. You need a domain name. That's your website name. You need hosting, and that's a place where your website lives. And you need a platform to build on. For example, WordPress, which is the simplest platform out there to build a website. And there's basically a 5-step process to get your site live in under an hour. So step 1, pick your domain. Something short, simple, niche related. And an example of that is you love gardening and you like small space gardening, and you decided, small space garden, and you found that's available. .coms are best, so smallspacegarden.com. Now, I know a lot of people have a lot of problems, trying to decide on a niche. And that's basically the topic that your website and business are going to be built on. So I've got for you below a free niche finder worksheet. So you can grab that for free. And it's just going to help you kind of narrow down what your interests and hobbies, or something you could build a business on for your retirement years. So download that. I got the link below. Step 2 would be that install WordPress. Now, if you're using a platform like I do called Wealthy Affiliate, it's literally a couple clicks. WordPress is used within that platform as well. I'm going to link that below, but I'll, how to get in and get a free account. But I'm going to kind of give you a sneak peek behind the curtain of Wealthy Affiliate and show you my account. So step 1, pick your domain. Step 2, install WordPress. Step 3, you're going to choose a theme. And a theme within WordPress is, what is your website going to look like? You know how when you go to a website, you've got this main screen, and either on the left or the right, there's going to be a menu or a navigation. And usually across the top, there's a navigation and maybe a picture or something at the top. How that appears is called your theme. So within WordPress, you can choose that. Step number 4, add 2 basic pages. An about page, you've seen them on websites. About me, about your name, Lisa Renee. If you're using your real name, or if you're using the business, just about us, you could use that too. And the second page is a contact page. And you just keep them short and friendly. But it's very simple. And WordPress will walk you through that, but so will the platform you use. Like I said, I'm going to give you a sneak peek about that. And then step 5, publish a placeholder post. What is that? That's basically just your first content. So within WordPress, you have pages, you have posts. Just create a first post. You click on that. It opens up this page, and basically it's like a Word document. and you can type anything you want in there, but just get something in there. Do like a brief paragraph or something, because basically all we're doing is getting that first site live. It's not about perfection. So as usual, my nose runs. Excuse me. So it's not about perfection. It's about momentum. And once you see your site online, it actually feels real. Like, oh, wow. That gives you motivation to keep on going. So why does all this matter? It's getting that first site live. And, you know, I know building a website does sound intimidating. It's really not. Trust me, if you survive learning how to use a remote control with 47 things you got to memorize, how to, I don't know. I don't even know anymore. You can do it. And the tools today are definitely made for beginners. I'm telling you, it's not like the old days when a website, you used to have to pay a guru to build you a website. No, it's not like that anymore. It's really simple. The biggest hurdle is just starting. So if you want step by step, you can actually do all that in 1 hour or less. However, I'm pretty much telling you, if you use the platform I use, it's going to be even simpler. You don't have to go out there and, okay, where do I got to get a domain name? I mean, you can Google all that, sure. And WordPress, that's easy enough, wordpress.com. You go there. WordPress has all kinds of tutorials. So now you go over here for your domain. You go over here and get your WordPress. Now in WordPress, you got to choose your theme. Okay. All right. I got to figure that out. And then you add 2 pages. Okay. How do I do that? All right. And you just publish your first post. And in actuality, it is that simple. But to make it even easier, Wealthy Affiliate has created something that's magnificent. So I am going to give you a little sneak peek of that right now. Let me get myself out of the way and blow my nose again. Excuse me. All right. So this is after you get your free account. Links below. You will see something like this. This is the home page. Now, Wealthy Affiliate's been around 20 years. I've seen about, I don't even know how long I've been with them, but I've seen them go through 2 or 3 different upgrades, and this is the best by far. So on your left, let me move me. You have a navigation bar with your home place where we are, and Profile Businesses Core Training. I mean, they have a lot of training. And they also have building your website, which you do under My Businesses. You create a new site in what they call a hub. I'm going to show you that now. So under my business hubs, I have several that I've started, and you know, I show different things on my videos, so I create new hubs. So you go and you click on plus. You've decided on your niche, so you enter it here. Let's say, what did we talk about? I don't know. I want to talk about, here's some stuff I've looked at. Lifestyle, health, fitness, 55 over, and weight training for women. There you go. I'm big on to, you know, renovating my whole life, including my body, so I am there. So do a search. And it takes just a second. Then you're going to pop up with some suggestions. Here is exactly what we typed in. That usually comes up first and tells you an opportunity rating. Do not be concerned with this. Not at all. What you're looking for is, if that is coming up, just pick it. So you choose that. Go down, finish, and build my hub. Bam! You know what? You already have a domain name. It's a free website. Yes, it's hosted here for free, so you're going to see whatever that is, .siterubix.com. And you can actually have it built right here for you. And I'm going to give you a little brief. Once that is done, you're going to be able to go and set up your first pages. But over here, let me show you, there's core training. There is ongoing training. There's communities. There's everything you need to help you. You have site support. That live chat I was telling you about over here. These people, there are people online 24 hours a day. So I'm telling you, that's a no-brainer. And look here. I have a website already built. You can view it. You can add content. You can get your own domain name when you're ready to do that, and perhaps when you're ready to upgrade in here to have even more benefits. But let's look over here. Core training. Now, the training here is going to show up for the level I am in Wealthy Affiliate. I'm a Premium Plus member. It's definitely worth it. But to start, you have core training. So let's go to phase 1. I've just been playing around with it because he's upgraded completely. All the training has been upgraded. This walks you through one step at a time. Let me move me again. You're welcome. How to make money online. How the process actually works, because it does. You set your money goals. You create a hub for your business, which I just showed you a startup. But this right here, all of this training is going to walk you through all of this. And it's awesome. When you have a free account, I think it gives you, I'm not sure how many courses free. I'm going to have to look that up. But it gets you started enough to let you know whether this is going to be something for you. So download that niche finder if you're just starting out and you're trying to figure out what the heck am I going to do. I got that link below. But definitely go get your free starter account at Wealthy Affiliate, and it's not going to hurt you anything. It's not going to cost you a thing. Just look it over, see if it's going to give you the tools you need, which I guarantee you it does. And tell me in the comments, what's the funniest or most frustrating tech challenge you've faced in your life so far? I'd love to hear it. But if you have any more questions, let me know in the comments. I do appreciate you watching. And congratulations, you are now on your way to being the proud owner of your very first website. You just gotta get started, and it's not as hard as you think. So I look forward to seeing you very soon in the next video. Have a good day.